Hi my dears, today I have to unbox and to show you what I bought, and I was so impatient, and the wrapping was a little bit destroyed, so I prefer this time to show you the leathers this way. These are very big pieces, this time about 4 square meters, and this time I used more, let's say, basic colors, like this one. It's kind of milk with coffee, a little coffee. It's a beige color, soft leather, and yeah, this is the back. From this leather I make my soft leather big bags, also the backpacks. The leather is not thin, but very lightweight and very comfortable, because if you wear a backpack, you know, it has to be comfortable and lightweight. So this leather is perfect for this. And also I love the colors, because I had questions from men. Why you don't make backpacks for men? And check in my shop Martinelli, I made 2 unisex backpacks. I hope the men will be happy. And now this is the beige leather. I love it, and it's a really, oh my god, big piece. This one, I saw it on the photo like a pale pink, but actually the real color is kind of peach beige. It's a very sweet, not bright, pale color, and I love these colors because you can combine them with some bright colors. For example, here you can use some what? Yes. For example, animal print, like zebra or leopard, something. And for example, lime green, fuchsia pink. I'm sure they will be nice. Okay, this one is a big piece. Again, I will make them later. This one actually is darker than I expected, but the color is very interesting. It's kind of dark beige, but a little bit like, I don't know, dark beige. Again, it's a soft leather. As a base, it's perfect. Yeah, I like it. I don't have this color anyway, and I'm sure I can use it. The other colors, let me show you. It's black. I choose this one because take a look at the texture. It's granite leather, but very discreet, and it's made not very shining, not very this one is soft, not very hard on touch. And for soft leather bags, it's perfect. And also the back side is okay. Big piece. So for backpacks, for my boho style big bags, something gothic, it will be perfect. And now the surprise. This one. Let me explain you about this color. My customer sent me photos, because we are working with him this way. If he has new stock leathers, he is sending me photos if I like something, to make my choice. And this time he sent me photo of some red leather, and it was written, it's red but a little bit pink, and I was surprised, because I had an idea to choose watermelon red. It's a very specific, very sweet color, and it's not like Coca-Cola red, and not pink, not fuchsia, nothing common, not coral. And I was very, very curious, but I was very disappointed because he told me, no, actually it's Coca-Cola red. And I asked him, please, you have a big storehouse. Is it possible to find me some watermelon red? Please check, check, check. And for my surprise, he found 3 pieces, and I took all of them because this color is very specific, very interesting, and these were the last pieces. So he gave me a very good price, and I took all of them. And take a look. The color, I told you, I don't know how you will see it, maybe like bright red, but actually it's exactly like watermelon red. And the idea was, I have this snake print leather with flowers. I already made a bag. I think it's available in my shop, but I did it with some kind of blue leather on the back, and I was very curious if it's possible to make something like this, and I think I can make it. Okay, at least I can try, but I like the color, and I'm sure I can make something nice from this leather. And let's see the last. The last one is a blue leather. Also, it's a basic color. I love it. It's a very nice color. I don't know how you see it, but it's kind of denim blue. Not light, not dark. Real denim blue, and this one will fit a lot of colors, even watermelon color. I like these basic colors because, for example, if you make the body of the bag this one, you can always add something bright, something interesting, and to have the wow effect. And believe me, my girls, all my customers love the extravagant bags, and even I had messages from men. They were asking, Maggie, why you are not making backpacks for men? And I already have 2 unisex models in my shop, and I hope they will be happy. But this blue is very, very nice, and I'm sure I will make something interesting for everybody, because my goal is to really make extravagant bags, unique bags, and I have a lot of questions about that. Do you really make unique pieces? Yes, I make unique pieces as bags and clothes. Of course, for example, from this leather, it's a huge leather, I can make 10 bags, for example, but all the time, every time, the details will be different. Yes, the shape will be the same, but the details will be different because every time I decide to change something to make it a little bit more interesting, and I'm sure that's the beauty of the handmade, and my customers really appreciate it. So that's all for today, my dears. If you like my video, leave comment, like, share. I'm really happy because I love my work. Guilty in charge. And if you share my passion of fashion, be my guest, subscribe on my channel, and wait for more. I love you. Bye. Have a wonderful, happy, sunny day.